Make your gaming rig talk the talk and walk the walk, all while keeping performance high, temperatures low, and with the added benefit of jealous in-game enemies. We are Digit, and we bring you the latest in gaming tech. Today we are thrilled to present a true game changer in graphics technology, the ASUS TUF Gaming Radeon RX 7900 XTX OC Edition. Its design is a testament to ASUS's commitment to quality. However, the ASUS TUF Gaming Radeon RX 7900 XTX OC Edition isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it's also engineered for peak performance. Its advanced cooling system features a robust heatsink and a trio of fans. This ensures optimal temperature control, and that's how you get uninterrupted gaming sessions without the risk of overheating, ensuring smooth gameplay and system stability. The card's durable construction and reinforced frame promise longevity, and we at Digit know that all gamers want the best performance without breaking the bank. Adding a personal touch to your gaming rig is made easy with Aura Sync support, so your card's RGB lighting synchronizes with other ASUS-compatible devices. Imagine your entire gaming station lit up, matching the dynamic rhythms of your gameplay. It's not just about gaming performance, it's about creating an immersive and personalized gaming environment. In addition to powerful hardware, the ASUS TUF Gaming Radeon RX 7900 XT OC Edition comes with incredible software to boot. ASUS GPU Tweak 3 allows for intuitive performance tuning, giving you the power to optimize your gaming experience effortlessly. Similarly, AMD's HyperRX technology ensures seamless gameplay, enhancing your immersion. These tools are designed for gamers who crave customization and control over the gaming experience. It offers a user-friendly interface to make real-time adjustments, putting the power for the ultimate gaming experience in your hands. We are in the era of 4K gaming, and this card packs a substantial amount of VRAM, which is vital for running heavy and detailed textures in demanding games. The high VRAM translates to exceptional performance, especially in high-res environments. Whether you are exploring vast open-world landscapes or engaging in fast-paced competitive gameplay, the ASUS TUF Gaming Radeon RX 7900 XTX OC Edition ensures every detail is rendered crisply, ramping up the immersion. FSR 3 cranks up frame rate significantly, without compromising on visual quality. This tech is a must-have for gamers who strive for the highest performance without losing on graphic fidelity. You can enjoy your favorite games at higher resolutions and smoother frame rates, ensuring that you get the most out of your GPU. And now for the juicy part, the performance benchmarks. The ASUS TUF Gaming Radeon RX 7900 XTX OC Edition delivered astonishing results. In 4K, it pushed boundaries with games like Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 and Cyberpunk 2077, delivering frame rates that redefine smooth gameplay. Even more impressive are the 1440p results, showcasing the card's ability to handle high-resolution gaming with ease. These numbers speak volumes about the card's capabilities, offering gamers pure power and performance. Whether you are in Free City, St. Denis, or the frontiers of Pandora, you can immerse yourself completely. You can now use the ASUS TUF Gaming Radeon RX 7900 XTX OC Edition for AI model training and inference. AMD's recent software update has opened up support for AI development via PyTorch and ROCm. Additionally, the 24GB of VRAM makes this a great graphics card for AI work, so you can play games and learn to build AI models too. All this and more awaits you with the purchase of the ASUS TUF Gaming Radeon RX 7900 XTX OC Edition. Grab your unit today to elevate your gaming experience. If you're looking for a little more incentive, a free copy of Avatar: Frontiers of Pandora is all yours for the taking if you buy the card before December 30th, 2023. Subscribe to Digit for more exciting tech insights. Game on and stay ahead.